Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection in 1000 butta concept. Tiny buttas, half-inch buttas all over the saree. The saree here is in violet with mild light purple shade, very elegant one. 18 buttas in a row vertically, and you can see both copper zari and silver zari used alternatively for the weaving. Handloom woven, very beautiful saree with a contrast pallu and blouse piece. The chili red here used for the pallu. Beautiful woven pallu with both meena work, and we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. The concept and the combination of the saree is ultimate with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, beautiful saree, borderless one with a small buttas, very elegant deep choco brown color saree, black and brown mixed shade, beautiful one with copper and silver zari weaving, tiny buttas, 18 buttas in a row vertically, closely woven design all over the saree. The butta design continues, very soft, lightweight, beautiful, premium soft silk with same color pallu. The pallu have a very elegant, detailed, beautiful copper zari work with silver zari meena work. The same color, plain blouse piece is given. Tassels are also already done. Excellent saree with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection, 1000 butta concept in a contrast pallu and blouse piece combination. Here we have a dual tone color, green and yellow mixed shade, almost a goldish shade on green color. Beautiful parrot green with yellow combination saree. Elegant one with copper and silver zari buttas. The buttas are very beautifully done, and it is done in a very closed manner. Almost 18 buttas in a row vertically, and alternatively both silver and gold used. It's a borderless saree with a combination of beautiful chili red. The red pallu is also very elegant. You can see the floral pattern using meena work in copper zari mainly, and we have meena work done using silver zari, and we have a plain blouse piece in same combination. Excellent combo, beautiful saree with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless collection, copper and silver zari woven buttas. Very elegant 1000 butta concept, tiny buttas, almost 1/2 inch buttas they are. Here we have a dual tone color, mild lavender and blue mix. Beautiful bluish grey color finish it is coming. Very elegant one, pastel shade, borderless concept, and we have a contrast bright red color pallu. The pallu have beautiful woven design, pretty one done using copper zari, and we have silver zari in meena work, and plain blouse piece is given. Beautiful saree, very elegant and different color combination, and comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in a single color, no contrast here. Complete saree, the pallu as well as blouse piece is in same color with very elegant buttas. Vertically we have 18 buttas in a row. Gold and silver is alternatively used. Beautiful kanji take elegant buttas, small and beautiful it is. All over the butta work comes. The saree is very pretty and very grand too. Borderless concept, and we have a gold zari pallu here. The vertical borders are done with silver zari. Very elegant and beautiful, simple and elegant pallu and same color. The saree and the complete saree pallu and blouse piece are in a very beautiful pastel shade. It is something between Rama green and the turquoise shade. Very elegant and pastel shade it is. Green with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, beautiful sarees in copper and silver zari work. Tiny buttas all over the saree. Vertically 18 buttas in a row. Silver and copper alternatively being used all over the saree. You can see beautiful small and elegant buttas. Single color saree. The complete saree is in one color. It is very different shade. Onion peel pink and maroon mixed shade it is. Different color. And you can see the beautiful copper zari work all over the pallu. It's a very rich pallu with the vertical borders in silver zari, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. The pallu tassels are already made. The color of the saree is very rare and different color, brown and maroon mixed shade color with authentic silk work. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept sarees in a very elegant silver and copper zari work. It's a grey saree, beautiful light grey color. The work that is done using silver and copper. Small buttas which are very elegant. 18 buttas in a row, weaved alternatively using copper and silver. All over the saree, the butta work continues. It's a very closely weaved, beautiful saree. Very rich one too, borderless concept, and complete saree is in single color. Even in the blouse piece and pallu, the pallu have very elegant copper zari work, 3D type design with vertical silver zari borders, and we also have plain blouse piece in the same color. The pallu tassels are already made, and copper on grey is very beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept sarees with a very elegant small tiny buttas done using silver and copper zari. Here we have a very light and pastel shade color, turquoise green with light blue mixed color, very beautiful color for the pastel lovers. Gives a beautiful light turquoise green shade with both silver and gold copper zari usage. 18 buttas in a row vertically and very closely woven buttas. Borderless concept all over the saree, and we have same color pallu and blouse piece. The pallu have copper zari weaving with silver work, Meena work, and we have plain blouse piece. The pallu tassels are already made. An excellent saree in pastel shade comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless 1000 butta concept sarees in a pastel color shade. Here we have an onion peel pink color saree, very light and beautiful pastel shade with dual tone buttas. The buttas are done using silver zari and copper zari alternatively. Vertically, we have 18 buttas in a row, a closely woven, beautiful 1000 butta concept saree with a pallu that is also in the copper zari weaving. We have Meena work done using the silver zari. The tassels of the pallu are already done with a blouse piece that is also in the running color. Single color, no contrast concept. Very elegant sarees and comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. A very beautiful borderless 1000 butta concept sarees in an excellent single color. The color here is a light pastel yellow, lemon yellow shade. Beautiful one with both copper and silver zari buttas. The buttas are of very small half-inch buttas. Both copper zari and silver zari is alternatively used for the butta weaving. All over the saree, the butta work comes and around 18 buttas in a row vertically. The pallu of the saree is also a simple and beautiful Meena worked one done using both copper and silver. The pallu tassels are already made, and we have a plain blouse piece in same color saree. A very beautiful one, single color, yet very elegant with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram soft silk saree, double warp. 1000 butta concept, very beautiful collection. Here we have an excellent color, a wine and purple mixed shade, beautiful color. With the buttas very visible on this dark shade color. Copper and silver zari are used for the buttas. A small half-inch buttas, and they are very elegantly crafted. Vertically, we have 18 buttas in a row and closely woven, borderless concept. And the pallu of the saree is also elegant Meena worked one. Mostly copper used, and silver is used for the Meena work. And we have the pallu tassels already made with the plain blouse piece in same color. Beautiful color, rare and attractive one, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, borderless collection with a beautiful flying butterfly design in the buttas. Here we have a pastel shade saree, a very beautiful green with a light goldish glow on it, a mild brown mixed green it is. Really beautiful color, rare color. And we have copper zari work and as well as silver zari work used for the buttas. Alternatively, both are given. Very elegant butterfly design. It's very visible and beautiful with the borderless concept. You can see the finish of the saree, premium quality hand woven silk it is with contrast pink color pallu. The pallu have very elegant copper zari work, a beautiful design, a different design too. It's something different from the contemporary designs, and we have plain blouse piece in same color. The pallu tassels are already made. This is a sweet pink too, and the combination is beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A thin border collection, beautiful butterfly designs, a very trendy design with gold and silver zari alternatively given for the saree. The flying butterfly, you can see, excellent butta design with thin border, and the saree is in almost a gold shade, beige brownish gold color with thin navy blue color border. We also have a navy blue color pallu. The pallu also have both silver and gold zari work. You can see it very visible because the color is dark with plain blouse piece. The combination is pastel into dark with authentic silk.